Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
What's up, guys? You're watching another episode of Coast Fishin', and today we out here the Surfside jetty. You know, we're gonna try to catch some trout, some mangroves, something like that. The water's calmed down, the water is cleared up, so maybe some jacks, we don't know. We'll see what's up when we get out there. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. We're gonna get out here, get all rigged up, and see what we're gonna catch today. Hopefully something good. We'll see what's up. All right, guys, this is what we got for some bait. You know, with our stationary little split shots. We got that 4 Horseman popping cork. Everything's available on the tackle stop, www.thirdcoastfishinandtackle.com. All right, man, let's catch a trout.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Nah, you're good, buddy.
Right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. My elimination, got to go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Talking, I'll be the bottom line. Bottom feet, number 99. Turn your heart rate to 99. Yeah, my zodiac.
Good wood. Got a trout piece. So guys, he's like 14. It's the first one though. Wow. Look at that. That's an ugly thing. That's a rockfish, toadfish, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty nasty. Oh, look at that. What's up, boys? Got that redfish. I don't know how long he is. We're gonna measure him. Come on, 20. I don't think he's gonna be 20. 19. It's a nice little red though. Perfect. One more inch, he'd been going in the cooler. So look at this weird one. Look at that. It's pretty cool, huh? Let me get him back in the water. What's up out here at the jetties? Catching some weird stuff. Some fish we never caught before. I don't know what that was, but caught a rockfish or a toadfish, something like that. You know, just a bunch of weird stuff today. We're gonna keep fishing. We're fishing with some shrimp, some live shrimp, and some dead shrimp. And whatever we catch with that, we're throwing on the big rods and see what we can do.
What the f is that, bro?
It's an eel!
Oh my gosh!
That's a good bait!
Is it?
I don't know. Look at this one, it's very good eating.
Yo, we caught some weird ass shit, bro.
Hey, can I have it if you don't take it?
Huh?
Can I have it if you don't take it?
You want to eat it?
Yeah, it's really good eating actually. But you have to know how to cook it.
Is that a good one?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a very good one. Can I have it?
It's poisonous?
No, it's not.
But it has dirt.
Can I have
Yeah,
it?
yeah. Let me take some pictures with it.
Yo guys, this has got to be the weirdest thing I ever caught anywhere in saltwater. Look at this thing.
It's crazy.
It's weird, right?
Want this?
Huh?
You need it?
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Yeah. Look at that. What's up? What'd you guys think of that, huh? That was some weird stuff. Never caught nothing like that in saltwater ever in my life. That was a freaking saltwater anaconda, bro. It's freaking crazy. The face on that thing too. Something only a mama could love, you know? Whew.
Bottom fishing, probably the way to go. Water is too high. Got a big one?
Something. Yeah, red.
The red.
I got anything like yours. WWJD. Not even like.
What's up, boys?
Just say,
Blue red. What's up, boys? 22-inch red. Nice little keeper. Nice fat one. Got that on dead shrimp, just on the bottom. Out here at Surfside Jetties. Slots, man, the slots are here, bro. Slots and weird fish, they're here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Got that red, 22 inches, 23 inches, something like that. And we got a bunch of weird ass fish. I don't know what to say. That's what I get for using dead shrimp. But anyways, it was a cool day. Like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so